Learn English with Om Nom.
Blue. Yellow. Green.
Red. Blue. Orange. Green. Apple. Blueberry. Orange. Pear.
I wonder what Om Nom is up to today. Wow! An arcade machine! Let's begin! Learn alphabets with Om Nom! Woohoo! Om Nom! A B C D E. Keep going.
Press the red button to start the game. Next level.
F G H I J K L M N O.
Keep going.
P Q R S T
Press the red button to resume.
U V W X Y Z.
Game over.
Good job, Om Nom. Bye.
Yeehaw! Well, howdy there, partners. It's the candy bean tree. Hello, Om Nom. How are you today? Yes, you are in the desert. What's that? It's a candy bean machine. Shall we get one? Look, a gold coin. Now remember, Om Nom, you had a candy yesterday, so give this one to Om Nelle. Here it comes! Yes! A candy! Only the one, though, Om Nom. Now remember, it's Om Nelle's turn. Give it to her. It's Om Nelle's gold coin, so she should keep the candy. Oh dear. Om Nom, don't be mean. Let her keep it. Come on, Om Nom. Give it to her. Oh dear. Quick, run! There it is. It is growing something. What's that? Yes! It could be a candy bean tree. Good idea, Om Nom. Putting water on things makes them grow. For some more. Excellent work, Om Nom. Watch out! Oh dear. Never mind. Look, Om Nom, it's a gigantic candy bean tree! Yes, you're going to have to climb it. Go on, you can do this for your best friend, can't you? Good job, jump, 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 jump from one leaf to the next leaf and reach! No, Om Nom, give it to Om Nelle. Remember, it was her coin. Give it to her. Good boy, Om Nom. You are a very good friend. See, that's what it means to be kind. Om Nom, where have you been? I've been looking everywhere for you. Om Nom, wake up. Wake up, Om Nom. Wait, Om Nom, I've been wanting to tell you something. Whoa, what is this place? A TV set. A book on a cabinet. Picture frames. Which part of the house is this? Sofa set. And a carpet. Where do you find all these things? I know, in a living room. Wait, Om Nom. I have to tell you something. Oh, where are you now? Wait, careful. Oh, thank God you're okay. A dressing table with a mirror, a side table with flowers, a bed. Seems like you find all these things in a bedroom. That's right, a bedroom. Wow. Om Nom, I still have something to tell you. Oh, now which part of the house is this? Careful, Om Nom, it's hot. Find some water. That's better. Now, there's a cooker, an extractor fan, a fridge, a kettle, a clock. Where do you find all these things? I know, the kitchen! Oh, there you are, Om Nom, eating an ice cream. I wanted to tell you how much I love you. Hello, Om Nom. Oh, Om Nelle's here too. Om Nelle is Om Nom's sweetheart. They love to surprise each other with yummy treats. They love each other so much. What's cooking here then? You go and relax, Om Nelle. Om Nom will take care of it, won't you, Om Nom? Om Nom's making some candy for Om Nelle. She's gonna love it. Oh, here she comes. Okay, don't fret, Om Nelle. It's okay. He'll clean it up and look, it's gorgeous, isn't it? Doesn't it remind you of the first time you ever met him? Om Nom was working at the cafe in Omtown. He was cleaning some glasses when Om Nelle came in. She was wearing a purple hat. He thought she was the most beautiful monster he had ever seen. Om Nelle thought that Om Nom was pretty cute too. So she smiled and batted her eyelashes. Straight away, he showed her inside, welcoming her in and showing her to a table. He pulled out a chair like a good gentleman, but perhaps a little bit too far, and she sat down elegantly. Never mind, Om Nom, push her in. Okay, maybe not quite that far. I think Om Nom's a bit excited, don't you? Here's the menu. So, what will she choose? This? Ah, okay. Off you go, Om Nom. He was so nervous. His hands were shaking so much that he accidentally dropped the lemonade all over the table. Oops. Without thinking, he just grabbed her hat and used it to mop up the lemonade, not realising it was her favourite hat. All he knew is that he just wanted to impress her so much, so he got out all the sweetest ingredients he could find and he made up a wonderful surprise, the biggest, bestest dessert ever. She was truly impressed. It was so yummy she forgot all about her wet hat. Om Nom had done it. He saved the day with his dessert. Aww. And they've been sweethearts ever since. So now he's saving the day again with his candies. Well done, Om Nom.
Star. 1 star. Gingerbread man. 2 gingerbread men. Snowman. 3 snowmen. Christmas bells. 4 Christmas bells. Gift boxes. 5 gift boxes. Stockings. 6 stockings. Candy cane. 7 candy canes. Christmas baubles. 8 Christmas baubles. Snowflake. 9 snowflakes. Fairy lights. 10 fairy lights. Yay! Merry Christmas!
Blue. Blue. Cyan. Orange. Pink. Yellow.
Subscribe. Click to watch more.